Fancy. To every action there's a reaction. But when my reaction no, a bro swara no akwa trap mu. No be a meow. A foot to am de Kotoko for no.
So sometimes you can say or react also active.
They should be very, very careful with their reaction.
Season ben pages had in buy no.
Last season me the buy. And I mean
to if you back and forth away.
But trainer Oma FNA nyomo. And no cry different.
And no crime so can be visa. That was the first time.
First he said mpesa me Kotoko for 780. If you love somebody who will be out type of conspiracy theory. Fancy most conspiracy theories no. There's an iota of truth. So the story of aliens. Yeah, man from GD say yes. No crew because send your Earth. I per se a Mars. Oh, near question the all Mars. Creatures be all Mars be and you could draw aliens mom. Jamaica what I say. The creatures will moon so. Yeah, you come moon aliens mom. And what it means that there might be other intelligent creatures living on other, let's say, planet.
Okay.
They might also try and tour and know more outside their planet. So the possibility of aliens, Mimi Gidi, say be omutimiba. Maybe a wow, ordinary person, a very classified information. So I want to believe Kotoko for conspiracy theory and say there is a cartel against them. I want to believe good. And now, NCC in the statement about. Nana am ponsa tweet ne say go for be person mo provoking but dinyame. Dienti amani bre the reaction ne say okay in the thousand a deliberate attempt to provoke me are very well noted.
Hashtag Jinyame.
Dienti amani bre ne say you your reaction can be the perfect trap out time for set amount. You can't say we pa. Reaction a bit me a perfect trap. But the madam for be asem neka. Fancy. Not in the boss for issues kakra. To some extent, a massem kakra. As a boss for pen as a crash. Then mum ya that girl. Crash. Yeah, that boy. And a boss open. As I made him a Juman penny. Two.
Was a bit to me by name mass.
Good. What happened is that
Silver Sports.
Fancy a meeting now. The boss meet me a day in the topper.
Not get it to meet in the movie.
Get it to be.
Oh, okay.
Say, a year later, boss need to meet in about 3 days salary. Okay. So I catch you when I'm saying lesson. A Juman unya fufro. Unya free. Okay. You are clearly against the wind of power. Or the wave of power. Oh. To me now, born from ano as a wujina and on the first in frama more day bana wujina it me pian bush. So it's either better than with chiama and framano. Now name framani in our court one direction. And now say ubesi weni no wakoto no atenem. Good ube daho name framana ba. Or you get yourself out of the place. But out of the place now we judge man anyhow. So you should be smart. And the catch is a fancy. One she ye no react here. You be jina so the apamono.
What one boss?
Yes, one boss. We do attempt or more treat you. Ukoye be pe. You be cast one bun. Ono le 2 minutes kutani. You be pam.
Obian so nim de.
Obian.
And this how we ne buy.
Good. And fancy me kind of papa in nature. Ono ne penny in the bear fine.
Sana kalanan so e.
Oh, in any man can say there are more fishes in the sea.
That's right.
Now, penny in any obi fufu nyasem. The person reacted. Meeting back. What Tanishi Akwana and Akwana Bufui Kekan arguing champagne and the Jina Sui Nedi. My friend was successful because who said a Jumano Yanja and a dear. And your mamma Pequim be a many balls in bedding, a bear fine. Name Menyamasumji. But clearly, Nabi be a dead, he said, Penny pe a reaction pe keke, Eddie flew her, no idea you were free. They tell my coaches ask him about Kotoko Diano. Shall we matches no? Baby any RTU had to folk on board Babaya and an incident see and now I call Karela. Se CEO Beka some person provoke here. I thought supporters stream. I'm not speaking against Nana Ampons, but I thought supporters stream. NCC the statement about said there's a cartel against them. I thought supporters stream. The perfect reaction, if indeed there is a trap, and where is a deliberate attempt to provoke Asante Kotoko.
So another tweet from the
CEO. Pamo uhufua ukotone bema. And sa bene chere se de bia wo de wani asimiso de wani asimiso da krome so me chere obibi. Sa na sa bene chere. Upam uhufua wa kotone bema.
Yeah. So that could be
da krome me so de atia. And what this means is that to some extent spark a fool. The anger of the fans and soldier too. And first, if indeed there is a cartel against Kotoko, TME, the perfect reaction at cartel never penny say, "We don't sabe can referee or baba near about 10 matches." No more you.
Okay, so I say, see you at 20. Say, Anna, you see the young I know why you so I now fire. So, meba. So I say, all this while, yen who say see you can be beer. So as I feel there, a man to also voice out. And a true social media handle, they are to say, sa actions and as a new man as a trimupon and ammon and I said a bear bemono, they will be free and won't. But Ginya me, good. And so the moment I said, okay, say supporters na be who and I say, good fans na take people circles so they almost statement about. So it means then I know coefficients here the NA. So by D Sabi more you can referee
what Tom now. If there is a cartel, this is that would be their ultimate plan.
What referee?
Cartel be their ultimate plan. A self-destruction.
Good.
Into the man say no a buffon womb a build it up. Okay. Ubatunsu. Ubi abetunsu and Daniel Sam. Unqual tunsu ni amount. Home away from home 3 matches. One
away soon I'll quayana
one Suska.
Yeah.
Unya Baba supporters.
Affect
your revenue. Yeah. So the person is the reaction. It should be a prudent reaction. I'm not against their reaction, but as a reaction, unkoto self wamenem. Did they make any?
Okay.
Menkasa don't react. No, yeah, the idea you know that react. But react to a choir. So self will be a unkoto self wamenem. As a student, not teacher ni tata no akobonasum. You be you wedi. Yentie the teacher ni ene. No dey yo.
Silver Sports.
E could do this year ni ma e straight ye you wedi. What my teacher ni na succeed in destroying you.
Yeah.
Do you get my point? And first, there's something about perception, eh? So they be no beef called Da Vinci. Da Vinci is over than Pewasem. Da Vinci beats me a brassy assembly, but the brain works in an interesting way. Yeah. If you read a lot of psychological books, the brain will search for information to confirm that statement or deny. And to be a first crime, me be jumama. Nipa 4 me ni omu din kumu bi Da Vinci nka ho. But obi ka sa asem na obi curious and conscious. Nti afei, bo se na adia nti na obe de ba.
On film.
On tiame no. Baby e ade a ekoso several times o.
Enyo obi na abetimi na.
Ba na adwene ne ye den enko so. Ya ka no mo sa to ni tim na afei na adwene aba so. Nti bia me hia na first bia me hia na. Oh hi it say. Bia me obi kwa me tai chia no. But it's obi ka sa asem ne pe. Bo sa beto nti na say asofo no kasa obi ye baifu a. Why generally will play tricks with you? You only see the negatives of the person because you are now curious about that.
Yeah.
So, what is likely to happen at the Baba Sports Stadium? You say, first, foul be another referee, supporters and
normal,
and then when you referee, Nigeria supporters will be. What do I say? Offside, be a first referee, be Jia. On my fan is so I am from Swan, and the referee be Joe Baba, a man from Buff. So if there is a cartel, this is what they will do. They will send a true assassin to the Baba Sports Stadium. Yes, I'm being smart.
Referee.
If there's a cartel,
also a assassin.
yes,
No.
it's a cartel.
You
You
are
obi a assassin no nim bonidi.
executioner.
Now, on my proper
Silver
security
Sports.
arrangement.
And you born back with you, ana.
You are protected.
Na sa baba yan so crowd ye sebi untimi.
Ebi
Yam bu referee
ebi
gidi
okra
fa
wo
ho
no.
ni.
Ebi a wo no.
Yeah.
But obeye nyoma hye obufu. Tie bi a ball no. Opponent na da ho a mo no the 2 minutes atoso. Ti obepon a oba no na mo tum su obo no. And our first half no be dig game ne basa. Ya pon a no aka kire security mfo so onye fine to be gina park no so. I'm telling you the tricks. Inti ono a on dressing room no agina park no so. Na we are seeing nyina a capture. So the next statement from the FA will be preventing a referee from going to the dressing room at the end of
And also your offense.
offense. Because the security of the referee is a club mensa. Into referee ntimi anko dressing room at the end of first half. What club never chance so. To be or have a suspension aba. And I deal with BSP.
Yeah.
Kotoko ni brekum Chelsea Charles Bulu die no. Ye ball Bulu die na man for starting. If you management members of Kotoko, e ka say referee when could di Kotoko ni niwe dubi ase. E wo be kwaya osisi Kotoko. So now say omo mpe na asem. And no and they say to tutu no e ba Baba Sports Stadium. E ma Kotoko je de e je suspension. So all that I'm trying to say is that they have every right to react.
Silver Sports.
Maka I was over TV say listen. Sa penalty no mo je me would say outside the line. A foul but of the player need to form outside the incident happened outside the line. And a guy no e koto box no. So I have still picture we could make say online also. But the entire bringing the player down.
Say baby.
It happened outside.
Baby abekwa akoto de emfa ho.
Outside the box.
Into Usha has a action in it. So it's you outside the box.
Good.
Into player no even still picture no. Obesha na opposing player no or from mumbo. Hey, not all conform. On say I say not.
So you so 15 anu akofo.
Yes. Into no
Silver
conform.
Sports.
Into your hand cry no.
When you form crazy.
Foul nesi dada.
Let's see that.
Hey, and a player on the top boxing. But how do you hear? On my still picture now, he will be an referee.
And you see, some are also saying, say,
He will be a referee.
so share. I'll even come to the referee. Referee quite the
Silver
picture.
Sports.
One, yeah, the video.
Oh, yes.
Fancy. When him saw her video now, Karela play and also the 9 ball sheriff.
Yes.
And how the sheriff will come. So there are others who are also saying, say, on only action crying at this sheriff bar from me from where I said, I think this boy is more of a foul than a penalty.
Because the sheriff didn't say left.
Yes.
And a drag
game.
No, but because the sheriff no or lose ball or the ball couldn't go area.
And it'll be a pen.
And a Karela man pressure. So other sheriff 9 left and a boy and a
this is what
so
happened.
clearly
Go back.
foul.
Go back. Also the 9 is what pim sheriff.
Yeah.
She Karela play and the 9 see her. And a pim sheriff 9 left. On the sheriff 9 ko ball no. Check your DNA. And sana sheriff ne twinaba. Oh, do you see that movement? The 9 ko ball the 9 and the man sheriff ne call for more. Because I didn't know who be said and him ne pem no. So me why I said I'll take this ball as a foul.
A foul, but outside the box.
Outside the box. And watch a penalty, which is to me is not right.
But almost all my
so
no man draw no there.
So I can call video, no starting video now, from time no where we play no. Now she referee no. Oh, we are referee now. On pause. On still referee by picture no. She referee no.
Man nam ben kumo no.
Oh, we are referee any. So this is what we are also saying about the referees.
Silver Sports.
Their positioning is also a big issue.
Maxwell can say sebi. Oma bon but
Yeah, me can.
oh can say but fancy omo nyade referees no omo nyade seriously.
So the position of the referee, the best person of a referee
and no line say be brain now below average
and first when you say line so one page ball one page flag. So me ma say ma make Kenya say Kotoko more home points than away league near born. Kotoko position on the league is based on their home points. So if there is a cartel, the ultimate distraction to attack their home and take them away from their home. Make sure my dear as them so. And to some man to 2 year. No more reaction go overboard the pet. Reaction go overboard the pet. They stand a chance of losing their home
Silver
advantage.
Sports.
And to a match number 1 a Monday against a
Silver
Lions.
Sports.
Among Shana man buffo na you know. ankobro so amoma ankoye bibi wo stadium
obi say asema obedo kan no wo ya adwen pa WhatsApp no so na
amoma ankoye bibi wo stadium ho a ebema omo league no ye omo free baba ya because fancy yenye yi Kotoko free baba ya there will be financial implications and performance implications.
Ya wo kan okra no from uyi point class aspect no to nchen sikasma wo kan hwe se kra ye league ni padodo say na so imagine on samo hana ebia se oboase da ho to ba yin so okoye ho enu akwakobo
fancy wa he kra mfa nkoboase because
so no kra no de efe na be determine be
akwakobo efe ni na be kire be akobo the nearest park
after
Silver Sports.
The reason back or cast went to me Angelique was no bo Accra. Any of Boase. Or Kansas.
And pounds in the second season will be both your J.
So everything they can
Silver
do
Sports
to protect themselves. Because if there's an attempt to provoke them, they should try not to be provoked. Now Baba no. Omunma you can say sanity embraho.
Okay.
And yes sir. Ombeto omotamfo. Wow,
DJ Fine best me 5 minutes be wadaroma. I'm say now discussion I know